Welcome to the Hamsi Analytics Daily Market Commentary. I'm Paulo Navarro. Today is Monday, May 7, 2012. For the markets, the S&P 500 future saw a high of the day of 1370.25 and a low of the day of 1359.25. We closed at 1365.25. Today's volume was 1.6 million contracts, a little lower than the 20-day moving average of 1.7 million contracts. For the Nasdaq futures, we saw a high of the day of 2648.25 and a low of the day of 2616.5. We closed at 2638. Today's volume was 240,000 contracts, a little lower than the 20-day moving average of 280,000 contracts. For the market internals, the New York Stock Exchange advanced decline differential closed at negative 252. Nasdaq advanced decline differential closed at negative 227. There were 5 new 52-week highs for the S&P 500 and 8 new 52-week lows for the S&P 500. Okay, here we have the daily chart for ES. As you can see here, we were up 3.25 handles for the day, which is positive after seeing what happened overnight. But you can see here on the CI diff, we continue to see momentum to the downside. And you can see here the Sigma channel has been basically flat, the channel width for a month or so. Now let's look at the intraday action. You can see here we gapped down at the open around 12 to 10 points lower for the ES after the elections and what happened in Europe. And after that, at 2 a.m. with the European markets, they just started going higher and higher and higher. And we ended up actually up for the day, which was really good. At one point, we were even lower than 15 handles for ES, which is a lot. And to end up, which was quite a good reversal for the market. You can see here on the moving average, we almost touched the 100-day moving average and came back up. We still have to clear some with the 50-day moving average at 1382, and then we could go higher again to test the 1400 and test the highs of the year. So that's basically what happened for gold. Basically the same. We were down a lot for the open, and then we just came back basically flat, 6 points lower, not much, but we're seeing again that this 1630 level, 31, has been acting as support. So again, we bounced off that level today. We continue to be on this consolidation channel that we've been at a couple of months, the month already. So we're watching for a breakdown here on gold to test the 1600 or just go higher if the Fed says or something. Test the 200-day moving average at 1706. For silver, was hit that fast today. Overnight it was down. We bounced back hard, which was good. But again, we continue to see that we're making lower lows every single day. We've been 3 in a row, which makes more. We can like 5 days in a row making lower lows every time. We're still not being able to cross close below the 30 level. That's an important line to close below. So still watching the 30 level as a support on the close. Below that, 28 and then 26.5 would be the next levels we'll be watching. So keep a close eye on the 30 level, making new lows for them for silver. It's basically going lower every day. Last chart, we're gonna look at the VIX. Here we were up 1.5, basically flat for the VIX. We closed at 1894. Important again, we just have we're above the channel that we were, but as you can see here, the moving average had compressed so much that basically the channel remains the same here that we've been so much in a while. So we need to get above 20, close there, and maybe go on to the 23 levels, or if not, just come higher, lower to test the 15. Have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow.